Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Farhana bint Islam. Welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. In our previous video, we have shown that how to manage and how to arrange a ring topology. So in this video, we will see that how to connect mesh topology. So let's start. And if you are able to arrange a ring topology, so this is easier for you to arrange mesh topology. So let's check. So first we have to take 4 switches. So switch, so we have to take 4 switches. So first we have to make ring topology. Okay, so you can also understand it well. So now here this is different devices, so we have to take copper straight through, and these switches we have to connect it. So this 4 switches is the same devices, so we have to connect it through copper crossover. So you can see this is done. This is actually our ring topology. So how it will be mesh topology? So just connect this wire. Okay, so it is also same devices, same switches, so we have to take crossover. This is our crossover connection. Okay, okay, this is also done. So this is actually our mesh topology. This is very simple and very easy, and message will deliver this way, this way, and this way, this way. One switches 4 way you have to transfer, you have to deliver. Okay, so we have to take a little more time to connect this, and it will show you a green button, green light. Okay, and in this time we will give our IP addresses. Let's start. Okay, here you can see this three connection bar is not green button, so it doesn't a big deal, because here you can see your message will deliver this way. It has enough connection to transfer data, so, transfer your message, so this is no problem, this is connected or not. So let's check. Okay, so first, okay, before it I want to give the name so that we can easily identify. Three. Okay, this is done. This is PC1's IP address. This is 3. This is PC1. This is PC0. Okay, so this is PC0's IP address. This is 3's IP address. Different devices, different IP address. Okay, so now let's check. See, successfully connected. And if you want to deliver it from this part to this part, this is also successfully connected. And how it will deliver, let's have a look. Simulation part start. See, this is delivering. this is delivering. Okay, okay, real time. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and in our next video I will show you how to manage star topology, and next video hybrid topology. So till then, Allah Hafiz.